Hi and welcome. My name is Carlos. I'm from Faster Course, and today I'm going to talk about an accordion, a storyline block for articulate rhymes. Here's a quick preview. It's a beautiful storyline block with images and texts. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how to work with it, how to modify it, and some very basics how it's built. Um, you can actually download this block also on our website on fastercourse.com. If you go here and go to the freebie section, you will get here and you will be able to download this block from our website. All right, but let's see how this block was built and what's inside. So if you open it in Storyline, and if you're not too familiar with Storyline, then you know that it's one of the articulate products. It has a quite intuitive design, and it's quite easy to actually understand what is where. There's a timeline, there's triggers, there's layers, and overall, menu and tabbed button interface. Somewhat similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but not exactly the same. Of course, it's much more advanced because this is articulate storyline, and you can create some really cool interactivity with it. And one of that interactivity is this block. Okay, so I'm going to really quickly preview it inside Storyline. All right. Yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. So yeah, you can click through different sections and new information is being shown. All right, so how does this work actually? Okay, so we have several objects here. And if we click on each of those, either text sections or other objects, we will see that they are marked inside the timeline. And we see different objects being selected, right? And of course, you can also use this little beautiful thing which hides objects, and then you will be able to see uh, how does it look without certain objects visible, right? So it's a nice feature. So this was in the first tab, but if we look at the main page, we can see all of the tabs, all right? And there are some actually pretty simple triggers and actions here. And you can see that, when the timeline starts on this slide, we show tab 1, and it's in these layers. You can see there's a layer called tab 1. So if when this page is being launched, we're going to launch the first tab. So this one will be visible. That's basically said here in this trigger. And of course, we have some very basic triggers here as well. Like if you click on this one, then you should show layer tab 1. If you click on this one, it shows layer tab 2. And if you click on section number 3, guess what? It's going to show tab 3, right? So I would say it's like plain English. Same for tab 4. You just read and you understand. Okay, so show layer tab 5 when the user clicks tab 5. So we have these 5 tabs or hotspot areas at the top of the page, but we also have these same type of areas below at the bottom of the page. And why is that? Because when we open tab 1, we, of course, it comes on top of some other stuff, and therefore we need to duplicate the same options. So, because before the possibility to click tab number 2 and number 3 and number 4 was here, and once we have opened the tab 1, it takes a lot of digital real estate, and we no longer can do that because there's this one is open, and therefore we have the hotspot sections here also below it. But these are not visible in the beginning because once we launch the page, the tab 1 will be open, will be visible. So, oh, sorry, not the tab 1. This one will be visible. So sorry, so actually these ones will be visible, but these at the top won't be. So if we preview it one more time, it's quite easy to understand what I mean. So once we launch, we see that the first tab is visible, and these secondary tab options are visible too. All right, but if we click, let's say, section number 5, then these primary tab hotspot areas are visible. So it's quite easy. So either these or those are visible, and therefore user can click through them and open all 5 tabs. So at any given moment of time, user can click any of the 5 tabs. All right, so that's pretty basic interaction. Let's see if we can, change something. Okay, so let's change the first one. So this will be learning and development uh, uh, industry is hopefully uh, getting better and better each year. Let's do something like that. Okay, and we will do. Let's change this one to L&D, for example. Um, And what will be this one? This will be, I don't know, bright future for L&D due to more need for learning in the modern world. Let's say like this. I just came up with this text. It doesn't mean much. It's just I'm showing you how easy it is to change texts. I really like rockets, so let's say this will be L&D rocket. Okay. Um, we also have these icons here, so I can quickly show you how to change them. We have I have actually already created a file for them. So we're going to change to this. I think it was this one. Let's see. Yeah, you see the colors are different, but you can easily also change them to different icons or anything else. So this one and this one, and we have a different rocket, all right? And let's say we want to change the shape fill also. I don't know, let's say it's going to be greenish. And this one, what it could be, let's make it like this, for example. Yeah, so this is a different look and feel, and we did it within seconds. So that was quite cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you really quickly in the tab interaction, how to change the text. Let's see, let's do one more thing. So for example, now we have 5 interactions, right? Let's do something radical and say we only need 4, all right? So we're going to delete tab 5. Boom, this one's no longer there. And we're going to delete now these ones. Actions are no longer there. And these ones are no longer there. Uh, and this one is no longer there. And everything that's related to tab 5, we just delete it. And let's see how this works. Okay, I'm going to preview. Time for tea break. All right, so the first tab is shown. You can see new colors, new icons, or let's say updated icons. The previous ones work as well, and now tab 5. So it's quite easy to update this template. It's quite easy also to upload it to the Articulate Rise, or if you want, you can also just import it into Storyline and just use it in the Storyline courses. That's cool too. Yeah, so that was very simple way of using Accordion Storyline block. You can use it in Rise courses, you can use it in Storyline. It's really up to you. And one more time, I'm going to show you that it can be really quickly downloaded from Faster Course. If you go to Faster Course and you go here to the freebie section and you go to the currently it's first, but we're going to probably have some more freebies soon. Interaction for accordion, right? Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Check out our free storyline blocks and free templates and enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye.